Good afternoon, 643. This is HatTrick and a 4-box break of Titanium Playbook Crown and SP Game Used. Thanks for selling this out this afternoon. I have to go out of town, so I was hoping to get it done today, and here we are. So thank you for that. Let's start with the list. So here's our list. Starting out with the Ducks, we have Johnny Canuck, Bruins 37, Harv's in there. Paul's in there, Peanut, Aaron, Jack, Matt, Jose, Chuck, PJ, Kepper, Brian's in there, M26 is in there. The Leafs were purchased by Jack and donated to Mike. So thanks for doing that, Jack. So the Leafs will be going to Subterfuge. And then we have Brian rounding out with the Jets. And I printed the list as well. All right, what are we going to start with? Let's start with Titanium. Serial is 206505762. Good luck, everyone. I've done this set of products in a 4-boxer quite a few times and pulled a lot of great stuff out of it. Here we go. Titanium. These are always rubbery. Here we go. Alright. Not going to read off the base. I will. Ooh, just about dropped you. I will read off the hits though. First one is a Briere. Let's go into the Habs and PJ. Alright. Another game worn gear. Might be a case hit rookie. Villano going to the Sabres and Harv. Harv G. Usually if there are 4 game worn gear, it is a case hit rookie. We will see. Oh, double hit. There we go. As predicted, case hit rookie, numbered out of 14, jersey number 3 of 14, going to the Jets and Brian. That's Anthony Peluso. Very nice. Gotta like those. Anthony Peluso. And there's a second hit in here going to the Bruins. And the Bruins are Bruins 37. That's a Max Sove auto. Metallic marks bronze. Yeah, you gotta like those case hit rookies when they're numbered so low. Base, and as expected, game worn gear, Pavlik, going to Brian. And perhaps one more. Never know though. Oh, we got an auto. It's a Dallas Uni, but a Oilers card going to Jack and the Oilers. That is Richard Backman. Titanium Reserve Auto. The Bishop base. Alright, that's box 1. Let's do Crown. Just made an order today and I saw that they dropped the price of this stuff a bit. So once that arrives, the Crown bins will be a little bit cheaper for you guys. Crap. clumsy today. Got basically zero sleep last night. All right. Lords in the NHL, Kerry Lettinen. Going to Dallas and Puck Dynasty. All right, and we get his base. Going to Columbus. Rookie royalty of Sean Collins, numbered out of 499. And Columbus is Matt. And this is the thick one. Actually, let's see them. Do this one. No damage on the one I dropped, luckily. Get an heirs to the throne going to Dallas and Puck Dynasty of Royale. And the thick one, which hopefully is a silhouette or some sort of nice patch, one of those die cuts or something. Let's see. Back, oh, it's a redemption. Could be a McKinnon, if it's a redemption. Steven Pinzotto, first of all, going to Florida and PJ. And our redemption is... what a surprise. Good one, though, if he ever signs his cards. The #1 rookie that hates signing cards, Vladimir Tarasenko. Silhouette patch. Very nice card, though, for sure. Hopefully he will sign soon. That was a Chicago card, not Bruins. Oh, yeah. My bad. Sorry about that. Anyway, the Tarasenko goes to St. Louis and M26. And that Boston card goes to Chicago and Aaron. Nice silhouette, though. All right, Playbook. 206 54 1120. To go get a big round of plastics for these things yesterday. I could ship them all out. Canadian stores still aren't stocking the top loader booklet holders, so you have to just get those booklet cases that are just big enough for them. Supposedly they are getting them soon. All right, Canes numbered at a 99, going to Peanut. It's a Ronnie Francis. I'll go to the back here. Get an Andrew Ladd base going to Brian at a 249. And our booklet is, oh yeah. I bet the Sharks are happy to see that one. San Jose Sharks and PJ. Nice. Authentic signature. And swatch. Hurdle. Numbered out of... oh, boy. Excuse me. Not numbered. Unless I'm blind. Nope. All right. Nice hit. Got a Tarasenko silhouette and a Hurdle booklet so far. All right. The game used 221428489. and I held the shipping for this break. So as long as you're paid up, these cards are going out today. As soon as I finish this break, I will finish packing up everything, including these. Alright. 5 thick packs. See if we can get something epic out of here. Nice. Going to Detroit and Peanut. You got yourself a Chris Osgood auto. Kind of cool. Pack 2. Going to the Kings and Chuck. That's a Tyler Toffoli. Authentic Rookie Fabrics. Pack 3. And at the end, I will do 1 free slot in 11-12 Prime. Nice. Going to Jack. That's a Rookie Fabrics 2-color of Yakupov. Nice looking card. And this one's extra thick. You can barely get it open. Ah, spacer. Ooh. Hello. Triple jersey authentic fabrics going to Dallas. That is Trevor Daley, Jamie Benn, and Kerry Lettinen. 3-color on the Daley. That's going to Puck Dynasty. And last pack. Come on, Patch. Oh, no Patch. You got a Bo Bennett, Rookie Fabrics. Going to Aaron. Thick spacer. That's it. All right. Not bad. Couple really nice hits. Turtle booklet and a Tarasenko silhouette. Pretty nice for sure. So let's give away the prime slot. So I'm going to draw a team out of here. If you own the team that is drawn, that's the team you'll get in prime. If it is one of the following teams that have already been given away, I'll draw another chip right away, and then the person that won will get that team instead. All right, so the teams that have been given away in this box are Dallas, Chicago, Rangers, Sharks, Boston, Buffalo, and Washington. There we go. Prime team going to the Preds. And did I say the Preds? I did not. And the Preds are PJ. There you go, PJ. Get yourself the Preds in 11-12 Prime, which is team 8 of 15 that will be given away. All right, folks. Expect to see these cards come in the mail soon. And thank you very much. And I will see you Wednesday for my auction break of contenders.